everyone, this is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and I am back with another home tour. And this one has got to be one of my favorite here, and I feel like I say that every single week, but every time I find a new home, it just gets better and better. So I'm so excited to show you. And we are back in the Vail, Arizona area, and we are with the new construction builder called Pulte Homes. And this model plan we're about to see is their biggest model plan here in Vail, Arizona. And this is the Messina model plan. And just so you know, this is 3,615 square feet. This is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It has a den, a loft, and an optional bedroom that you can build here. Now, everything about this home is just great, but my favorite part when it comes to Vail, Arizona, it's always the views. Now, if this is your first time with me, I just want to stop right there and say welcome. Again, my name is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things real estate. So whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, feel free to call me, text me, email me, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you are at in your real estate journey, and I'll be happy to help. Now, if you're trying to relocate here to Arizona, Tucson more specifically, and you're not sure where to start or what the city consists of, I curated a relocation guide that tells you everything about best attractions, best family-friendly places to go, restaurants, best hospitals, the school districts. So feel free to comment below relocation guide and I will send that your way. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this home we're about to take a look at is inside a very popular and new community called Vail Parke at Rocking K, located in Vail, Arizona. You're 20 minutes away from southern Tucson, all while enjoying the beauty that the rural life that Vail gives you. This home starts at $440,990 with so many upgrade options. I love the common area loft upstairs where you can design anywhere from an office to a movie theater to a play area for all the kids. I've always loved being able to separate the formal living room from the kids' play area. I can have the downstairs nice and neat and the mess can stay out of sight upstairs. This community features pickleball courts, a basketball court, splash pads for the kids, soccer fields, a beautiful park for the kids, and much more. If you want a private showing, whether it's in person or virtual, contact me and we'll get that started for you. I can send you videos of homes in the area and gather information on different builders so you can choose the best option for your family. Now, other than that, enjoy the tour and welcome to your new home. so much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.